everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss the data sufficiency questions based on coding and decoding concept. Okay, we can know all the concept means then only we can able to find the answer for the data sufficiency questions. Here in this concept is coding and decoding. According to your coding and decoding, how the question will appear in data sufficiency, that we can discuss here. What does that means? How was come written in that code? We want to find the come code for the word of come. So while this is your first statement, come and go is written as G-E-T-A-M-A, and go back and is written as T-A-S-A-J-E. What is the common word for here? Go, and. Okay, what is the common code for here? J-E-T-A-T-A. The remaining code is M-A for word of come. So we can able to say the answer M-A for come by using both the statements together. So answer for this question is statement 1 and 2 together are sufficient, are necessary. Okay, we'll move on to your next question. How is always written in a code language? Is always here is written as 3685. Don't consider 3 for E is for 6 and always for 8. We already know the concepts of coding and decoding. So how we can apply in this concept for data sufficiency? Okay, here always, that is always is appeared in statement 1 and 2. What is the common code here? Here common codes are 3, and any other common codes are available here? 5. So according to your question, here always and is. So always having the two possibilities, either 3 or 5. And similarly, here also is always either 3 or 5. So, is 3 or 5. Otherwise, always will be coded as 3 or 5. While comparing both the statement, then only we can able to say the answer for always. What is the code for always? Either we can use 3 or 5. Okay, so combining both the statement together, we are getting the answer. So answer for this question is fifth one, option fifth one, if the statement 1 and together are necessary. Okay, we'll move on to your next question. Yeah, in a certain code, 48 means stop smoking and 62 means injurious habit. What do 6 and 8 mean respectively in that code? So 6 and 8. Here 48 means stop smoking, and after that 62 is injurious habit. So 8 to 9 means smoking is injurious. Statement 1. Here statement 2 is 4, 6, 7 means stop bad habit. What are the common code for here? Is there any common word is here? No. Common code is here? No. So we can't able to find the data for, find the answer for that given question 6 and 8. We are not exactly saying what code for that, what word for that code. Okay, now the answer for this question is statement 1 and together are not sufficient. So the both statements are not sufficient. Here we are not able to say what is the word for code 6 and what is the word for code 8. Why means is there no data, proper data is available. It is called as insufficient data. Yeah, in this type we are discussing some of the questions which is based on your coding and decoding. See, while attending your data sufficiency question means you must know the remaining concepts thoroughly. Then only we can able to say the answer for this type of questions. Thank you so much for watching. If A is heavier than E as well as F, it may become A is heavier than F or E. Okay, and E is the second heaviest in the group. So A is second heaviest. Okay, D is heavier than B. D is heavier than B. But one condition, but not the heaviest. D is not the heaviest person. Heavier than B means where we can connect with D and B. So according to D, B, is there any relationship between B and A? How we can connect? Is there no possible for connecting these two terms and all. Okay, so we have one idea. D is heavier than B. Okay, D is heavier than B means only B means we can able to say D is only B. So therefore D will be coming here. D will be coming here. But in that word is not available. So there are so many possible for this. We are not directly, we are not able to say the exact answer. So statement 1 and together are not sufficient to answer the question. Not sufficient. Okay. Yeah, yes. In this video, we have discussed the lot of questions which is based on your directions problems, which is based on your ordering problems, which is based on your ranking and blood relationships, which all comes under in your data sufficiency. Once if you need to score your data sufficiency topic means you want to well thorough the remaining topics, then only you can able to understand the concept of that is questions which is asked in the data sufficiency. Thank you so much for watching.